Dear students, here we have a problem related to simplex tableau method. In this problem, we need to find this red color items, which is V1, V2, and V3. Okay, since we already know that this Zj is basically the sum of the product, right? So it's a sum of product, right? So how we can find the sum of the product? So usually what we do here, so to find the value of V1, what I have to do, I need to pick this element, so I make it like a different color so that you understand it. Let's suppose I make it a color like this one. Okay, I make this color, so I will multiply this element with this element. Okay, so how much it becomes? So it becomes like 2 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, this becomes 8, and then what I have to do, I need to pick this element multiply by this element, right? So this is become equal to 0 multiply by 12. Okay, and then I need to pick this element, right? Multiply with this element, right? So what will happen? This equal to 0 multiply by 12. Okay, so yeah, so I have this like all the elements. So what will be the v1 now? So v1 would be, for example, if I want to find the v1, so it's the sum of the product. So product I we have already done it. So what I will do, I will this sum this one plus this plus this. Okay, so the total is how much? The total is 8. So v1 value would be, the answer would be 8 for this one. Now so this value is 8 now, right? Okay, now let's suppose we want to find the v2. So v2 will be in the similar way, so let's do for v2 as well. So this color already I have it, right? Multiply with this color, right? So this one. Okay, so it would be let's make me, okay, so this is 2 multiplied by this is 0 point, this is, so 0 point is like 1 by 4, so it's 1 by 4 basically. Okay, 1 by 4, so it's 0 point this one, and similarly 0 with this one, 0 with this one is how much? Equal to 0 multiplied by, this is basically minus 1 by 2, right? Okay, this is 0, and similarly this multiplied by this one, so how it would be? Equal to sign 0 multiplied by 1, so this is also 0. Okay, now I need to, this is product, so I need to make a sum of the product, this plus this plus this. Okay, so the sum of the product is 0.5. So 0.5 is basically, so how would be the answer? So 0.5 is 1 by 2. Okay, so in case if you are given answer like 2 by 4, so 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are the same things, right? So okay, so this is 1 by 2. Okay, or you can write like, v2 equal to 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 and 1 by 2, same thing. Now we see here, okay, so this is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is basically 0.5, right? Okay, now what about v3? So v3, as we already know, that cj minus zj is the difference between this one. This basically I can easily call this cj, so this would be more better if I call it as a cj. So cj is 2, and sorry, for 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's suppose 1 minus 4 is this one. So if I going repeat this one, so 0 minus 1 by 1 by 2 is how much? So if I write it like, equal sign 0 minus 1 by 2, so sorry, this is minus, not okay, this sign is minus, right? So it is minus 0.5, right? So the answer would be, so basically 0.5 is 1 by 2, right? Or you can write it sorry, minus 1 by 2, or you can write 2 by 4 if the answer is given in the case of 2 by 4. So it's the same, so minus 2 by 4 or 1 by 2 is the same, and with the negative sign, right? So you can see over here, so the answer would be the same. So here is it is like 4 by sorry 2 by 4, or to simplify it is 1 by 2, right? So this is like that how usually we test students about that to find the value of zj and cj minus z. So I hope now you understand that how we can find this value. So here is it. So the value becomes here is minus 0.5, or you can write it minus 1 by 2, right? So this is same thing. So thank you very much.